So today we're in Canterbury, New Zealand, and this is a roller drill that had an e-drive on it for about 8 years, and today we've just upgraded it. So the motor all stays with the machine. The only thing we did is replace this calibration button. It had a switch cover that let it fill up with water, and up in here we've got the new FieldMate screen. So let's turn that on, and what we got going on there? Turn that there off. So we've got in this case, we've got an internal hold switch, and this is only a one bin machine, so we're going to be in here, and when we get drilling we're going to see the kgs we've left in the paddock, the real kgs per hectare, the area, and we'll see our fan speed here. So we're all set to go. We've got a quick report option here as well. Tells you for this bin the rate is set to 4 kgs a hectare, and well, it's done a small amount, but we'll see when we get moving a bit more. So that's FieldMate 4, and it goes with this power unit which sits down here, and this unit here sends all the power down to the motor on the back bin. So yeah, let's go back here, and alright, we're ready for drilling.